All right, so we're working on this Kohler one-piece toilet. Looks like it's comfort height. That doesn't do anything. Always put the lid somewhere solid and sturdy. Actually, I don't even want to put it there. I'm going to move it over a little bit. Don't want that to fall off. If you look in here, it's a chain. There. Alright. We'll spin this over around. And we'll take this chain, which is going to clip onto the tank rod, tank lever. So we're going to get a clip, reconnect that. Otherwise, you know, I gotta replace the canister because the canister comes with the clip. So we'll get a paper clip and put that on. All right, let's see. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can make this work for you. All right, so let me see. All right, so I know this is bootleg, but you know what? Works. It works for now. Until the chain breaks or the tank lever rusts. Surprisingly pretty clean in this tank. It's like they just cleaned the inside of it out. But there you go. Thanks for watching.